So for some of you who always fail to find your phones easily, you're always misplacing them. I think you can try out this app to trace your phone whenever you misplace it, because you just have to clap and the phone will make a noise, or it will make a noise and also flash a flashlight for you to easily find it. So we're going to see if this app works, how to use it, and what are the cons and pros. Okay, so first of all, this app has to be running in your background. It's important to be running in your background, so you have to kind of activate it, meaning if you have a bad battery, it will be a disaster. It has over, the last time I used it, it has over like 24 sounds, and the sounds are kind of loud enough. In my case, I was using the red horn sound. It was kind of loud enough. Okay. Now, not only does it have sound, it also have flash. It has a flash. It kind of flashes. So if you can't really hear well, you can see it with the lights. But the red horn sound was actually loud enough for me to hear it. Okay. Now the issue is when I was using it, even minor sounds would make it go off. Okay, for no reason. For example, um, maybe I was trying to put a book on a table. The noise can make it run off. If you try maybe just putting a cup maybe on, on a cup, or so, you're just trying to put a cup on a table or something, it can just, you know, uh, sound. So for no reason. So in other words, it's not just only the clap, but it kind of, I think it runs off. It was made to run off from the sound. So even if you don't clap, but maybe slap someone, it will go off. If something falls, it may go off. If someone opens the door, it may go off. So in other words, it's the sound that makes this app to make your phone to make a sound. So that may be a shock, because something may fall or someone may lock something, and you just have to, the sound, the sound can kind of shock you. So it's more like, so the app kind of listens to the sound. If sound is made, it will go off. So my friend, for some reason, he uses it as a security, because in his room he sleeps alone. So any noise that comes in makes the phone to go off. So it's a win-win for other people who want to take it in that security perspective, that every weird noise is going to make the phone go off. So that's what I can say. But it's a cool app. You have to try it out. Find your phone by clap. So in other words, if you clap, it will try to make a noise. You should kind of try out the red horn. For me, that's what I kind of went for. Okay, let me know how it went with you, and don't forget to leave me a like or a comment or subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.